A doormat is more than just a functional accessory. It's the first thing guests notice when they arrive at your home. Finding the best outdoor doormat that combines style, durability, and practicality can make all the difference in keeping your entryway clean and inviting. In this video, we'll explore top choices that not only enhance your doorstep but also withstand the elements, so you can choose the perfect one for your home. Handmade Coir Doormat. If you're in the market for a stylish yet functional doormat, the Handmade Coir Doormat is a fantastic option. Crafted from 100% natural coconut fiber, this doormat is as durable as it is eco-friendly, making it a solid choice for outdoor entryways. The hand-woven construction effectively traps dirt and moisture, helping to keep your home clean and tidy. Its vibrant, nautical-inspired knot-icel design adds a touch of personality to your porch or patio, making it a great first impression for your guests. Measuring 24 inches by 36 inches, the doormat is the perfect size for most entryways, and the fade-resistant dyes ensure that the colors remain vibrant, even with prolonged outdoor use. While it's designed for outdoor use, it's best placed under a covered area to protect it from the elements and extend its lifespan. Cleaning is easy. Just shake off the dirt or give it a rinse with water and it's good to go. Overall, the Coir Doormat offers a great combination of style, functionality, and durability. Whether you're aiming to enhance your entryway or looking for a reliable doormat that can handle the outdoors, this one's a solid pick. Ruggable Front Entryway Doormat. The Ruggable washable doormat is an exceptional choice for those seeking both style and practicality for their home entry. This 2x3-foot doormat blends a natural coir texture with a modern, seagrass-inspired design, creating an inviting welcome for guests. Its machine-washable feature is a standout, offering effortless maintenance without sacrificing its durability or aesthetic appeal. The non-slip rug pad that comes with the doormat ensures that it stays firmly in place, even in high-traffic areas. The latex-free pad is made from recycled materials, supporting both sustainability and safety. Whether you're using it indoors or outdoors, this mat offers an easy solution for keeping dirt and moisture at bay while enhancing the overall look of your entryway. What makes the Ruggable doormat even more attractive is its kid and pet-friendly design, which protects against spills and stains. Ideal for busy homes, the mat is not only functional but also brings a stylish, modern touch to your entry. In conclusion, the Ruggable washable doormat combines superior convenience with a tasteful design. It's an investment that will enhance your home, requiring minimal upkeep and providing reliable functionality. Highly recommended for any home. Letterfolk Customizable Doormat. If you're looking for a doormat that combines practicality with a touch of customization, the Letterfolk Customizable Doormat is a standout option. This 18 by 30 inch mat is designed with a sturdy vinyl material that provides durability, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. The non-slip rubber backing ensures it stays in place, even in high-traffic areas like entryways and kitchens. The real magic, however, lies in its customization feature. This doormat comes with 150 black hexagon tiles that you can easily arrange to create your own designs or messages. Whether you want to change the look for different seasons or personalize it with a welcoming message, the tiles make it simple to switch things up. The tiles are easy to clean, and the mat itself is low maintenance. Just a quick scrub with a brush or a machine wash will keep it looking fresh. The combination of its stylish appearance, durability, and the ability to personalize it makes this doormat a great addition to any home. It's versatile, functional, and adds a unique touch to your entrance. Whether you're using it as a welcoming message or a decorative element, the Letterfolk Customizable Doormat is a reliable and chic choice. Calloway Mills Hello Doormat. If you're looking for a durable and stylish doormat that can withstand the elements without compromising on design, the Calloway Mills Hello Doormat is a solid pick in 2025. This 24-inch by 36-inch mat combines the practicality of durable coir with a welcoming Hello script in classic black, making it a perfect greeting for guests at any entrance. The coir material is excellent at scraping dirt and debris off shoes, keeping your home clean and tidy. Its vinyl backing helps prevent shifting, ensuring the mat stays securely in place, even in high-traffic areas. The mat's all-season, weather-resistant construction makes it suitable for use year-round, and its color-fast properties ensure it will look good for a long time, even when exposed to sun or rain. What sets this doormat apart is its blend of functionality and style. It's both a great addition to your home's curb appeal and a practical tool for keeping dirt out. Though it's designed for outdoor use, the mat can be easily cleaned by shaking or vacuuming, making maintenance a breeze. If you're after an attractive and durable doormat that makes a statement, this Hello Doormat is an excellent choice. Calloway Mills Gatsby Rubber Doormat. If you're in the market for a durable, high-performance doormat that combines style and functionality, the Calloway Mills Gatsby rubber doormat is a top contender. Designed with both beauty and practicality in mind, this oversized 30 by 48-inch mat covers more ground, providing better protection against dirt and debris. Its elegant scroll pattern adds a sophisticated touch to your entryway, making it a great first impression for guests. The mat is made from 100% rubber, which ensures it won't crack or buckle, even in harsh weather. Its all-season durability makes it perfect for use year-round, while the rubber material allows for easy hose cleaning, so maintenance is a breeze. Additionally, the non-slip vinyl backing keeps the mat securely in place, even in high-traffic areas. Not only does the Gatsby mat scrape shoes clean with its raised nubs, but it also traps dirt effectively, keeping your home tidy. Whether you're using it outdoors or indoors, this mat is built to handle heavy foot traffic without losing its form. Overall, the Calloway Mills Gatsby rubber doormat offers durability, ease of use, and a stylish design, making it a must-have for any home looking to elevate its entryway.